Hello everyone, my name is SANGAM Baral. I am from Kathmandu, Nepal. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in the field of Information Science Technology from the college Cambridge Institute of Technology. I secured 7.86 GPA in the career of my engineering. After the completion of my engineering, I joined JSpiders Hebbal Branch, and I recently got placed in Light and Wonders, also known as Scientific Games, with a CTC of 8.55 LPA. I would like to thank all the JSpiders Hebbal Branch faculty and HR team, so that they helped me to get placed in Light and Wonders. And there are so many facilities in JSpiders Hebbal Branch, like you will get the grooming classes, presentation classes, mock tests, so that it will help you and enhance your skills from technical to communication throughout your career. I would like to suggest all my colleagues and friends to join JSpiders Hebbal Branch, because this is the best platform for you to get good opportunity and good placement for the good software company. And I'd like to thank JSpiders Hebbal Branch once again. Thank you.